Good evening, Professor B, my fellow classmates, and my fellow guests. My name is Beatricia Kowalling, and I'm here to present my informative speech, The Anatomy of Sea Turtles. Now, imagine you're walking along the shoreline and you see a family of sea turtles swimming by, and you wonder how they're structured on the inside as well as the outside, and how they are similar to humans. Just like humans, we have different kinds of systems, yet they work together as a whole to live on our everyday lives. Since there are many systems, we'll be focusing on three of them: the skeletal system, the nervous system, and the digestive system. The function of a sea turtle's skeletal system is protection from predators and giving the ability to swim through the deep depths of the ocean. Their system contains two sections: the external skeletal region and the internal skeletal region. The function of an external skeletal region is to support the internal organs of the body. This region is composed of two sections called the lower plastron and the upper carapace. The lower plastron is the flat region of the cell structure, or the belly side of the sea turtle. This region is made out of 9 bones and comes from the sternum, and this was discovered by a French naturalist named Georges Cuvier, who is from the U.S. Department of Commerce. The upper carapace is the convex region, or the backside of the cell structure. This region is made out of fused ribs that are covered by a series of plates called scutes. Now let's get deeper and head into the internal skeletal region. The functions of the internal skeletal region is to provide support for their muscular system. This region is composed of two parts: the flippers and the head. The flippers are used to move through the rough currents of the ocean. They are made with long digits within the limbs of the turtle fused together. They have two sets of flippers: the frontal flippers and the back flippers. The frontal flippers are used to move for stability, while the back flippers are used for direction. For female turtles, they are used to create nests on the beach to put their eggs in. A sea turtle's head is different from other turtles because they cannot put their head back into their shell. They also have large upper eyelids to protect themselves from the sunlight. And they have their lacrimal ducts, is where you could produce your tears, is underneath the eye, and they tear up because they have too much salt intake. Since we are in the head, within the head there is the most important organ in the body, which is the brain. The brain is the control center of the body's communication system. Their nervous system contains the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Just like humans, a sea turtle's central nervous system contains two sections: the brain and the spinal cord. So there's the brain, and that's the spinal cord. A brain plays the central role in controlling the body's functions, such as movements and sensations. The spinal cord provides a pathway for information to travel through the body, just like a human. A sea turtle's peripheral nervous system is composed of the nerves outside the spinal cord. Its functions is to connect with the central nervous system to the organs or the limbs. There also contains specialized cells called neurons, which carry the information to let the organ know what to do when there's something wrong. function of a sea turtle's digestive system is to break down food when it is eaten. Although the functions of a sea turtle and a human is similar, their stomach is way more stronger than ours because of their digestive enzymes. Due to their diet, they eat a lot of jellyfish and soft bone invertebrates. So, especially jellyfish are known for their sting cells. They will need more stronger acids for their stomach. Their digestive systems contain two parts, the stomach and the mouth. The mouth of a sea turtle is a cavity found within the skull. The tongue is flat and wide and is connected to the cavity to make sure it doesn't move. One of the internal organs within the sea turtle is the stomach. A sea turtle's stomach is very powerful because of the digestive enzymes that they have to decompose the food. The walls are composed of smooth muscle, just like ours, to help move the food through the system. Just like humans, a sea turtle's body and its functions has individual systems that somehow work together. They are very important creatures because they help balance the ecosystem between the land and the sea. Thank you for listening.
Welcome.